Hi, so yet again, Etsy have moved the goalpost today for some of its sellers. It really does prove that you simply have to have really strong foundations for your business. You cannot trust or rely on just one platform or one social media. You need to have a firmer, stronger business. It's like building a house on quicksand. You just wouldn't do it. That isn't to say you shouldn't use Etsy or any of these social media platforms, the third-party platforms that are out there. You really should. They're great. But just have strategies and plans in place to make sure that you're not completely and utterly relying on them and putting all your eggs in one basket. This is one of the reasons Make Believe Marketing is such an amazing course. I think it's actually the best course I've ever created. If you want to know more, click the link below. But whatever you do, create a business with strong foundations.